beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Pina Colada Jello, perfect for the holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready the mixture of the pineapple. I have 1 can of 20-ounce crushed pineapple. I am using everything, adding everything to my little saucepan. I'm going to add everything in here. I'm going to add 1 cup of water. To this, I'm going to add 1 package of pineapple jello. Any brand you could use. I'm going to add it directly into here, and I am going to mix it very well before I take it to the stove. I'm going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts kind of bubbling on the edges. Let me tell you, there's no need to add more water because once this starts cooking, the pineapple is going to release much more liquid. And now that everything is incorporated, I am ready to take it to the stove, start cooking it for just a couple minutes. Like I said, 2 to 3 minutes. Once you see bubbling on the edges, remove it from the heat, transfer it to a plate, and then just let it sit until it comes to room temperature. Once it comes to room temperature, you are ready to add it to your mold, any kind of mold. I have this silicone mold that I'm adding. I greased it before I added the pineapple mixture in here. Once you add it in here, take it to the refrigerator for about 1 hour so that it starts getting a little firm. Not too firm, but just slightly firm. Now I am going to continue getting ready the coconut milk. The coconut milk, I'm going to add 1 cup of regular milk, and I'm going to add 1 container of coconut jello mixture. This is the kind that I'm using. You could use any kind, any brand you want. I am going to mix it really good, making sure that it's well mixed. And let me show you from close up how you could still see on the bottom of the milk, you could see the gelatin. That's why we are going to take it to the stove, cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes until there's no texture on the bottom. There's no gelatin on the bottom and has dissolved completely. It really doesn't take too long, 2 to 3 minutes. It doesn't have to come to a boil. As long as it gets nice and hot and you see no more granules of the jello, then you are ready to remove. By this time, remove it. Let it sit for a while to come to room temperature before you add it to the mixture of the pineapple. Here, I'm just going to let it sit, let it come to room temperature. After, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut extract. This is really going to elevate this jello, give it a delicious and amazing flavor. And if you love coconut like I do, you're going to love adding a splash of coconut extract. And here, this, I'm going to let it sit, have it come to room temperature before I add it to the pineapple mixture. It's getting nice and firm. I am ready to add the mixture. Remember, the mixture needs to be at room temperature. I am going to take it to the refrigerator, leave it there overnight, and then I'll see you the following day when I am ready to reveal how this jello came out with my hands damped with water. I am ready to start removing, and of course in this plate I am going to tip it over. And this is the best part. Let's reveal how this jello, Pina Colada Jello, is going to come out. Very carefully, taking my time. The design is just gorgeous. Look at this. There's no need to add anything, any decoration. It looks beautiful the way it is. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Look how beautiful this looks. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. It looks just amazing. The holidays are here. Let's impress our beautiful family with a delicious Pina Colada Jello made at home with lots of love. Look how beautiful this looks. Of course, I'm going to add a snowman right on the top for decoration. And now I am ready to slice and cut a piece of jello for myself. Remember that the top portion has the little pieces of the pineapple. Look how this looks. Creamy, delicious, ready to be enjoyed. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe. Easy, delicious, and with very few ingredients. You're going to love the flavor of the pineapple on the top with the little pieces of pineapple, and in the bottom, the coconut jello. I am ready to enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this amazing Pina Colada Jello. Yes, this is the part I love and enjoy. I am ready for the holidays. And with this Jello, just amazing. Excuse me. You could really feel all those little pieces of the pineapple, the crushed pineapple, the combination of the coconut jello. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. Like I said, I am ready for the holidays, and I hope you are too. Just perfect. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing Pina Colada Jello for your holidays. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so that Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing Pina Colada Jello made at home with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.